Good morning, esteemed students. Today, we embark on a journey back to the 8th century BC, to the very heart of ancient Indian philosophical thought, where we meet a figure of monumental significance, Akṣapāda Gautama. As the progenitor of the Nyāya school, Gautama not only introduced systematic logic into Indian philosophy, but also laid the groundwork for a tradition of epistemology and metaphysics that would influence generations of thinkers across diverse philosophical disciplines. Historical context. In the rich tapestry of Vedic philosophy, where the Vedas and Upanishads set the spiritual and philosophical agenda, Gautama's Nyāya Sutras emerge as a text of critical importance. It represents an endeavor to establish a method of knowledge acquisition and validation through rigorous logical analysis and debate. This was a period of intellectual ferment in India, where schools of thought like Buddhism, Jainism, and various strains of Hinduism were in vibrant dialogue, often challenging each other's premises and conclusions. The core concepts of Nyaya philosophy. The pramāṇas, the means of knowledge. Gautama identified four valid means of knowledge: pramāṇas, perception, inference, comparison, and testimony. These pramāṇas remain central to Nyāya's epistemological framework, offering a structured approach to understanding the world. Nyāya Sutras and logic. The Nyāya Sutras articulate rules of debate and logic, aiming at an unambiguous understanding of concepts and the resolution of doubts. Gautama's emphasis on logical reading and argumentation laid the groundwork for systematic philosophical inquiry in India. Reality and metaphysics. Gautama's work also ventures into metaphysics, discussing the nature of reality, including concepts such as self, Atman, and mind, pramāṇas, and liberation, moksha. His approach is meticulous, seeking to define the constituents of reality and their interrelations through logical reasoning. The relevance of Gautama's teachings today. Gautama's legacy extends far beyond the ancient world. In today's global philosophical landscape, his insistence on rigorous logical reasoning and empirical investigation resonates with contemporary discussions in logic and epistemology and the philosophy of science. The Nyaya school's analytical rigor can be seen as an early form of philosophical skepticism and empiricism, advocating for a methodology that closely mirrors scientific inquiry.